Afrin No Drip Extra Moisturizing 12-Hour Nasal Congestion Relief Spray 15 ml.
Product details.
Afrin No Drip Extra Moisturizing 12-Hour Nasal Decongestant Pump Mist provides fast, powerful, medicated nasal congestion relief.
This medicated nasal and sinus congestion relief spray soothes congested, irritated dry nasal passages from colds or allergies without any unpleasant dripping down your nose or throat.
Designed to allow easier breathing through your nose, it starts acting in seconds and lasts for 12 hours. This formula provides helpful extra moisture to rehydrate dry, irritated nasal passages for adults and children 6 to 12 years with adult supervision.
Featuring an easy action pump that delivers instant relief in a measured dose, this 12-hour moisturizing nasal spray requires just 2 or 3 sprays in each nostril for lasting relief.
1 box of 15 ml Afrin No Drip Extra Moisturizing 12-Hour Nasal Decongestant Pump Mist. Cold and sinus nasal decongestant pump mist works instantly to provide nasal congestion relief from colds or allergies. No drip nasal spray doesn't drip from your nose or down your throat.
12-hour extra moisturizing spray soothes sinuses and fights irritation.
Easy to use Afrin nasal mist delivers instant relief. Afrin is for adults, as well as directions. Dosage:
2 to 3 sprays. Instructions:
adults and children 6 to under 12 years of age.
With adult supervision, spray 2 or 3 sprays in each nostril not more often than every 10 to 12 hours.
Do not exceed 2 doses in any 24-hour period.
Children under 6 years of age, ask a doctor. Shake well before use.
Hold the white tabs, press the grooved area of the cap firmly and turn counterclockwise. Before using the first time, prime the metered pump by depressing the pump firmly several times.
To spray, hold the bottle with your thumb at the base and nozzle between your first and second fingers. Without tilting head, insert the nozzle into your nostril.
Fully depress the rim with a firm, even stroke and sniff deeply.
Wipe the nozzle clean after use.
Secure the cap after use, children 6+.